Let's make one thing perfectly clear. After watching this video, you're no longer going to believe your eyes when it comes to what you see on the internet. As a matter of fact, this isn't the mad scientist. This isn't even me. This is a clone version of the mad scientist. And I bet you didn't even know it. How can I explain this? You see, Google made a brand new video model a few weeks ago called VEO3 that is just crushing the internet when it comes to video realism, audio realism, and sound effects. As a matter of fact, it can do all three with a single prompt. How realistic is it? Well, this isn't even me either. This is still a clone of the mad scientist. This is the real mad scientist. Now, you're probably saying, well, what is it? How did you do that? How, and most importantly, how can I use this in my business? I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to give you all of the above. Exactly why this is going to be the most important piece of AI integration that you can use in your business. Now, what is it called? VEO3. It was created by the people at Google. And the beautiful part about it is that if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. VEO3 will allow you to take what you're doing by way of a prompt, meaning typing out a sentence, and what you type is what the video will produce. It will produce the video, it will produce the audio, and it will produce the background, even music, just from a prompt. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're using it and how you can use it in your business. But first, I want you to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that we can bring you up to date as we bring new videos to light for you and your business. What you see on the screen right now is a collage of videos that we created using VEO3, and then I'm going to go into how we're doing it, and then I'm going to tell you how you can get this for free 99. Watch this.
Tonight's top story, Chucky buys lucky houses. Don't just buy houses, they build communities.
A vote for me is a vote for Coach Cooper.
Remember, this is all AI generated.
I love hotwaterexpress.com.
You can use this to create all kinds of videos for your business, marketing, and so on.
Hotwaterexpress.com is your #1 choice in Maryland.
Why did the rehabber go broke? Because he didn't use Maryland HVAC repair.
I like that one.
I should have called Maryland HVAC repair.
I told you, you never listen.
Look at the emotion in the face. Look at the actual seamless transition between one scene to the other. The verbiage, everything. Even the music is generated by this platform.
Looking for house hunters.
Automate your workflow so you can flip more than just pancakes.
This agent is wasting our time.
We should have gone with all service real estate. I love hotwaterexpress.com.
This is my favorite one. Now, I told you. The possibilities that you can do with this is totally endless. I mean, No more videographer, no more video editing, no more coming up with scripts, no more coming up with audio, no more coming up with sound. You just type it and it's produced for you right there thanks to Google VEO 3. Okay, let's break down this bad boy. 1. The price right now. The price of Google VEO 3 is somewhere around $20 if you're going to get the normal plan. And what I mean by the normal plan, I'm talking about the AI Pro plan. It's literally $20 a month. Now, Ultra plan by Google AI is $249 a month. On the $20 plan, if you use the smaller model inside of VEO 3, which is called VEO 3 Flash, you can create up to 50 videos with the AI Pro plan. With the AI Ultra plan, you can create up to 200, 300 videos, but at a hefty $249 a month. Now they're running a special where you can get it for $124 a month, or you can get it for, like I said, $19.99 a month if you're doing the Pro plan. But if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get this puppy for free, and I'm going to also give you a bonus of my prompt. So let's go into how they're created and all the particulars with it. The platform is Google Gemini, and this is the main platform. Once you sign up for whichever plan you want, this is where you're going to come to. I don't recommend you creating your videos here. I recommend you creating the videos Google Labs, where it's able to give you more features and more pluses with the actual video model. So, and what I'm referring to is what's called Flow. So first thing we're going to do is go to labs.google.com and we'll go over to Create with Flow. Okay, get started. Let me sign in. Now I signed up for the Ultra plan, but what I'm recommending you do is stay to the end, and I'm going to show you how you can get the Pro plan for free $99. Okay, so once you're in, what do you want to do? Well, the first thing you want to do is make a new project. And when you're creating a project, it's going to take you to that old familiar screen that almost all of the chat and LLM and video models make and show you, that you could say, oh, well, this looks like ChatGPT. Oh, I don't know why they all use the same type of look, but it's the industry standard. So how do you start creating those videos I just showed you that we made? Well, first of all, in the bottom part of the actual screen, you have what's called the settings for the type of videos you want to make. And you can make 3 types. You can make text to video, you can make frame to video, and you can make ingredients to video. Text to video is nothing more than typing out the text and creating the video. And it will also include sound effect and so on, depending on which video model you choose. Frame to video is where you give it a reference image and it will create a video from that reference image. And ingredients to video is where you give it multiple images and it will create a video out of those multiple images. For example, you could give it an image of a man and an image of a sweater and an image of a car, and it will create a video of a man wearing that sweater outside of that car. That's what we call ingredients. So first you want to choose the type of video you want to create, and we're going to choose text to video. And once we choose the type of video, we need to choose the model, and they have 2 models with speed variations. You have VEO 2 and VEO 3. Keep this in mind. Only VEO 3 gives you audio and sound effects. VEO 2 do not give that to you. Now let's break down the cost. If you create a video with VEO 3 fast, it's going to cost you 20 credits. If you create a video with VEO 3 quality, it's going to cost you 100 credits. So if you're using the $20 a month plan, or if you stay to the end and I show you how you get it for free, that could easily eat up your credits, not being able to make videos like you want to, because it costs you 100 credits per. But I'm going to recommend you use VEO3 Fast. Why? It only costs you 20 credits. And here's the most important part. The output is just as good as the quality version of VEO. Now, you also want to be able to choose how many videos you want to produce at one time, and you can choose up to 4. I recommend 2 or 1 so you don't speed through your credits, so you'll just create 2. So you want to make sure your setting says VEO3 Fast and 2 videos. Last but not least, you want to go ahead and type in your prompt. For those of you that leave a comment, I'm going to give you my prompts that we have in our Real Estate Investing in AI School community. As a matter of fact, we have all these training and tools, systems, automations, real estate investors, all in my school community. Definitely the link will be in the description below where you can join. But this is the hub if you really want to learn how to use real estate investing and AI in your business or any business that wants to use AI. This is the place you want to be. But inside of here, if I go to my classroom, I'm going to go to challenges. I'm going to go to where it says VEO3, and I'm going to take this prompt. And we're going to take this prompt, we're going to change it, and you're going to see the output that it's going to come from. Let's take it, copy it, and I'm going to go into VEO and paste it. And the prompt says, a 1980s nightly news female anchor says tonight's big story is about how VEO3 can generate video with dialogue. We're going to change that and say tonight's big story is about how my real estate company, Chucky Buys Lucky Houses in 7 days or less. And I'm going to click the forward arrow so it can generate. Okay, the video has stopped generating, and let's listen to both of them. Remember the prompt. A 1980s nightly news female anchor says tonight's big story is about how Chucky buys lucky houses in 7 days or less.
Tonight's big story is about how Chucky buys lucky houses in 7 days or less. Tonight's big story is about how Chucky buys lucky houses in 7 days or less.
Now, let's look at number 2.
Tonight's big story is about how Chucky buys lucky houses in 7 days or less.
I told you. You can no longer believe what you see on the internet. That audio, video, all created from a prompt. Now remember, you can tie all these videos together to make a long video, longer than 8 seconds, because right now the output is 8 seconds long. Leave a comment. My free 99 bonuses, I'm going to give you my actual breakdown of prompts that you can use to create videos like the ones you saw me create. Well, mad scientist, how do I get Google Gemini and VEO3 for free 99? I want you to go over to one.google.com and you'll come to this page. As a matter of fact, I'm going to have the link below in the description. And inside of this page, you'll see where they have what's called the student discount. What classifies you as being a student to qualify for the student discount is that you have to have a .edu email address. And if you get a .edu email address, you can get Google AI Pro for free for 15 months. You heard me right. You can get it for free 99 for 15 months. Get the $20 a month plan for free 99. Make up to 50 videos, and I want to see you start crushing it and closing deals with this technology. Because like I said, if you're not using it, your business is going to lose it. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, signing out, and I'll see you in the next video.